Hey guys, and welcome to this video. We have 3 divided by 3 divided by 3 divided by 3. So 3 divided by 3 gives us 1, and 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. Now 1 divided by 1 gives us 1, but this answer is not correct. As we know, when we have more than one division in one expression, we have solve from left to right. So 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. 1 divided by 3 gives us 1 over 3. And now divided by 3. So according to the KCF, that is, keep first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction. So keep first fraction 1 over 3, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction. 3 over 1, 1 over 3. 1 over 3. Now we have one fraction. The numerator is 1 times 1 gives us 1, and numerator is 3 times 3, that is 9. The final answer is 1 over 9. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.